quick shooting video, dark LCD with a 14-inch Dye Ultralight boomstick, and then I'm going to put the Ramrod barrel on afterwards so you can hear the sound difference. Chronoing real quick, 285, 277, 283, 269, 267, 305. Really old paint, it really sucks, but you get the point. So that's about as loud as it is. I'm going to change barrels real quick. Paint is probably 6 months old, plus it hasn't been stored properly, and it's like 5 degrees outside. So yeah, here's the Ramrod barrel now. I'm going to turn on this real quick. 278, 274, 285, 283, 281. You can already tell it's much louder. And there you have it. That's the sound difference.